Long fields of barley and of rye, the glove of golden meet the sky. Through the field the road run by to many towered Camelot, and up and down the people go, gazing where the lilies blow, round an island there below, the island of Shalott. Only reapers reaping early in amongst the bearded barley, hear a song that echoes cheerly from a river winding clearly, flowing down to Camelot. And by the moon the reapers weary, piling sheaves in upland Surrey, listening whispers, 'tis the fairy, the lady of Shalott. There she weaves both night and day, a magic web with colours gay. She has heard a whisper say, the curses on her if she stay to look down to Camelot. She knows not what the curse may mean, and so she weaves steadily. Little other care hath she, the lady of Shalott. A bow shot from her bower heaves, he rode between the barley sheaves. The sun came dazzling through the leaves, and flamed upon the brazen greaves of bold Sir Lancelot. A red cross knight forever kneeled to a lady in his shield, and sparkled on the yellow field beside remote Shalott. She left the web, she left the loom, she made 3 paces through the room. She saw the water lily bloom, she saw the helmet and the plume. She looked to Camelot, and flew the web and floated wide. The mirror cracked from side to side. The curses come upon me, cried the lady of Shalott. In the stormy east wind straining, the pale yellow woods were waning, the broad stream in his banks complaining, heavily the low sky raining over towered Camelot. And down she came and found a boat beneath the willow, left afloat, and round about the